Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. This video I'm happy to share with you how to make Angwamoo, locally called in Ghana, or braised rice or oil rice, and it's mostly eaten in the afternoon, but you can also have it any time of the day. And it's one of the foods my mom used to cook for us in the afternoons for lunch when we were kids. And also back in secondary school as friends, we used to come together, put some money together and meet in one of our classmates' house and cook this and enjoy. So I hope you'll enjoy this recipe, and without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have here jasmine rice, salted beef, tomatoes, onions and habanero peppers, some sausages, corned beef, spring onions, sweet baby capsicum. So I'm going to start by cutting and slicing some onions and set it aside. Next, I'll go ahead and cut the salted beef into tiny pieces. I'll also slice the sausages and set it aside. Next, in my saucepan, I'm going to add some coconut oil, about 5 tablespoons. I'll let it heat up and I'll add in the salted beef. So the salted beef adds some flavor to the Angwamoo. Next, I'm going to add in the sliced onions. I'm going to fry it for a few minutes together with the sausages. And to it, I'll add in my pre-washed jasmine rice. And I'm going to stir it for a few minutes. And when you fry it for some time, it will help the rice to be grainy. And very crunchy. Next, I'll add in a pinch of salt, and please remember this beef has some salt in it, so you have to check the amount of salt you add to it. You don't need much. I'll go ahead and add in some water, about 2.5 to 3 cups of water. Now I'll cover it on a low heat and let it simmer. Next, I'll go ahead and get my eggs ready for frying. And Angwamoo goes very well with fried eggs with some onions and vegetables. So I'm slicing some onions to it with some sweet baby capsicum. And some spring onions. So I'll add everything together in a whisk and set it aside. I'll add a pinch of salt to it. So the rice has been cooking for a while now, and I'm going to give it a quick stir. So I'll go ahead and cover it with a cling foil and let it cook for another 5 minutes on a low heat. Next, I'm going to heat up some coconut oil and add in the eggs to fry. So I'm frying on each side for about 5 minutes. Next, I'll go ahead and grind my onion, ginger, and chilies. Next, I will add in the chopped tomatoes. And at this point, our angwamoo is all done, looking so nice. Very easy and simple to make with just a few ingredients. So I'll go ahead and dish it out, and I'm using my asanka. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. I'll add in my fried eggs, my chopped onions, and also the spring onions, and I've added in my corned beef as well. So yes, it's very easy and simple, so you can also have this for lunch. And I hope you have enjoyed this recipe and you'll give it a try. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.